Hello family, my name is Victor and welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel seeks to offer simple life hacks that will make your interaction memorable in this online space. Today I'll be talking to you about citation generators and how to use them responsibly. Firstly, I will illustrate to you how the citation generators work. The citation generators receive the information from you as the writer, and you will have to input information such as the source, the author, the title, the publication date, the URL, and stuff like that. Then the generator will process this information according to the settings that you have specified. Then after that, the generator is going to produce a citation or a set of citation which you can then proceed and use in your paper. There are different types of citations, or there are different types of citation generators. So for illustration purposes, I'm going to show you the citation generator that I use. And the citation generator that I use is called Citefast. And for you to access this Citefast, you will need to type in citefast.com on your URL. So what is the first step? Let's say you want to generate citation for this particular source. You can see this is a publication of the CNN Health, and it's about what the end of COVID-19 would be like. So you will copy that. Then on the citation generator, you will paste it there and click on this sign. You will wait for it, and you have been able to see that it has been able to feed all this information. Here's the name of the author, here's the date of publication, here's the document title, the website is from CNN, here's the URL. So to save this citation, you will click on Save Citation. Then once you come to this area, you will simply click Copy and Paste. And this is the citation that we have added. So you will copy it. After you have copied it, you can now go to your paper or project and paste it there. The same applies to when the source is a YouTube page. Again, what you are going to do, you will copy that here and paste it here. You can be able to see that in this particular case, it has been unable to manually capture the information. So what you'll do, you will have to enter this information manually. So what you'll do, under here, you'll just write the last name of the organization, which is the DW News. The date of publication is 26th November 2021. Here it is. Then this is the title. Again, you're simply going to copy that there, and you can be able to see it has generated. So you'll simply save the citation, copy and paste, come to DW, here it is, copy it, and then transfer it to your paper. So you can again go ahead now and organize your reference list, or rather format it the way they're usually organized. So like here, this has to be center lined, it has to be in bold, this one has to be hanging like that, it has to be in alphabetical order, you sort it like that. Okay, it should DW, this should come before the other one, so you simply do that. So remember, when you're seeing Citation generators, there are different formatting styles, so always select that style that you want to apply in this particular case. Otherwise, thank you, and even thank you just for taking time to watch my YouTube channel. Do not forget to share, subscribe, comment, and if you have got any question, kindly drop your comment in the comment section. Thank you.